If you want to add in profile details inside of Evernote, then what you need to do is you need to click on the gear icon right here and then go to personal info and click on go to your profile. Once you do that, you get on to the profile section right here, as you can see. So here what you can do is you can go around and change out your profile photo. So you can upload a new profile photo or you can remove it. Let me just go around and click on upload new, and over here from let's say one of my drive, I'm just going to go around and upload out the YouTube logo right here. You can see it is uploading, and you can go around and crop out the profile picture according to how you want and crop and save it to update it out right here. So you can go around and make the profile much more detailed like this. You can go around, add in a full name right here. So let me just go around and add in my full name just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So apart from that, you can go around and change out your email address according to how you want as well from over here. But I don't want to do that. So let me just click on back right here. So I didn't make any save to the changes. So as I click on back, you can see my photo is gone. So let me just go around and open, that is upload out a new photo once more, just like this. And I'm just going to go around, click on crop and save because I don't need to make any changes. So this is what I have, as you can see right here. And this is the email address right here, just like this. And in order to update it, all I need to do is click on save changes. And what happens is that the changes will be saved out. And that is how you can go around and change out your profile contents inside of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.